Hello, teachers. Canvas is a vast tool. There are so many things that we as teachers can use in Canvas and make our classrooms that more innovative and exciting for our students. However, there are times where we might want to spice it up, add something new, have a little bit of creativity with another tool. Canvas recognizes the importance of teacher flexibility and being able to explore other tools, so they added a tool called LTIs to their system. This allows teachers to add other systems like Google, Nearpod, and various others to the Canvas system in order to re-engage their students in the curriculum that they're teaching. Let's go check out how to use LTIs inside of Canvas. To get started with LTIs, we're going to have to navigate to your Canvas course. Now, LTIs mostly work inside of assignments, so we're going to have to create a brand new assignment or work with an assignment that you've already created. What LTIs are going to allow us to do are going to give us an external tool to link to another assignment. Go ahead and start by clicking on Assignments and going to your Assignments page and clicking Plus Assignment. Once in your new assignment, you can add an assignment name, and you can use your rich content editor to fill in your assignment. Plus, you can add on points, put it into an assignment group, or display point as. But where we're really looking for is for our submission type. Now in the video you can't see, but there are 4 different types of submissions in Canvas. No submission, online, on paper, or external tool. There are others by default depending on district as well. External tool will allow you to add different tools based on what you need from external areas. So for instance, maybe if you've created a great lesson plan in Google, we can go ahead and grab that Google assignment, whether it be a doc, a slide deck, or a sheet, and pull it into Canvas and give a copy to every. One tool in external tools, Nearpod, went statewide for all teachers recently. You can run a lesson at student pace. You can do it as full class participation. Either way works great for students and for teachers. But know that the external tool LTI allows us to pull in the assignment or activity from Nearpod and plug it into Canvas. And then on top of that, as students work through, you can see all of the students' work as a Nearpod assignment in the gradebook. Now that you know what an external tool is used for, let's look at how it works. On Canvas, I can click External Tool, and then I can search through all the district-approved apps that I can use in Canvas as another external tool. For instance, I chose Nearpod. Nearpod will load, and the first time I use it, I'm going to have to use my credentials. And then from there, I can choose any lesson that I've previously made. I'm going to go with this breathing activity, and you can choose either live participation or student paced. In this case, I went with student paced. Click Select, and there it shows up in your class as an external tool. Add a due date, make sure you have your points in and a title for the assignment, and go ahead and click Save. This will add the tool to your assignment, and students will be able to work through it at their own pace. This is what students will see when they log in. They'll be able to put in their credentials, and then join the lesson if they're on Nearpod, or they'll see other materials if they're on another external tool. Remember that if you as a teacher give your students a lesson through Nearpod on Canvas, the students will not need an activation code to get started, nor will you have to worry about grabbing reports from Nearpod and putting the score into Canvas. It will automatically update inside of the speed grader for you. LTIs allow teachers and students to explore different routes for learning and engagement inside the classroom. Adding a Nearpod lesson or a Google Doc or a Microsoft Office tool to your existing Canvas course can extend and re-engage students in your course material. It is highly advantageous to use LTI systems inside your course to help students re-engage with learning and get excited about what they're going to do to show their learning. Thanks so much and enjoy using LTIs.